Did you know there was a time when the Jamaican dollar was actually stronger than the US dollar?
What?
Let me show you how far we've fallen. Back in 1969, when Jamaica introduced its own currency, the Jamaican dollar had more value than the US dollar. One JMD, $1.20. Let that sink in. People could travel and buy more using Jamaican money. Gas was cheap, food was local, tourism brought in real income. We made bauxite, sugar, rum, and we actually owned what we produced. But over the years, corruption, borrowing, inflation, and foreign dependency started chipping away. By the 1990s, the dollar started sliding fast. And today, over JMD 155 to $1. Our dollar didn't just fall, it got destroyed by poor leadership, debt, and global pressure. This is why your grandparents could build a house on one salary, and now you can't even afford groceries. Jamaica was never poor, we just got robbed of our value. Follow for more facts they'll never teach you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the full breakdown.